The Indian Prime Minister's convoy is worth over $10 million, but there's only one car that truly stands out. This is the official armored limousine of the Prime Minister of India, the most important vehicle in the entire convoy. The Mercedes-Maybach S650 Guard, worth about $5 million, is the official armored limousine of the Prime Minister of India. This beast is secretly built in Germany by Mercedes-Benz for the most powerful politician in India. Let's travel to Germany and uncover how this extraordinary vehicle is built from the ground up.
Every material is verified, measured, and organized before the first component is ever produced.
The first structural components begin as precisely cut steel blanks prepared for shaping.
Lightweight aluminum components are produced to combine strength with exceptional precision. Critical structural components are forged to maximize strength and long-term durability.
Each forged component is machined to achieve exceptional dimensional accuracy.
The main chassis rails are formed to create the foundation of the vehicle's structure. Each structural crossmember is produced to strengthen and support the vehicle's future chassis. Controlled heat treatment strengthens every structural component before chassis assembly begins. Reinforced floor panels are formed to provide exceptional structural rigidity and strength. The front subframe components are individually produced before final structural assembly. Rear structural components are prepared to support the vehicle's future chassis and suspension systems. The firewall structure is formed to separate the future engine compartment from the passenger cabin.
Additional reinforcements are produced to strengthen key structural sections of the vehicle. Thousands of precision brackets are produced to support future structural assembly. Production now begins on the suspension components that will later support the vehicle's ride and handling. Each control arm is machined to achieve the precise geometry required for exceptional suspension performance.
Rear suspension components are forged to provide strength and long-term durability.
Precision machining transforms each steering knuckle into a critical suspension component.
High-strength suspension springs are formed to deliver comfort, stability, and consistent performance.
Rear suspension springs are carefully produced to provide balanced ride quality and lasting durability.
Each shock absorber cylinder is machined for smooth hydraulic performance and long-term reliability. Highly polished piston rods ensure smooth and consistent suspension movement.
Air suspension components are individually produced before their future integration into the suspension system. Production now begins on the brake discs that will later provide confident stopping performance.
Each brake disc is machined to deliver smooth, reliable braking performance.
Brake calipers are precisely machined to ensure accurate and dependable braking.
Premium brake pads are produced to provide consistent braking performance under demanding conditions.
The steering rack housing is precisely machined to provide the foundation for accurate steering control.
Each steering rack shaft is machined to deliver smooth and accurate steering movement.
Steering column components are individually produced before final steering assembly. The steering wheel frame is produced to provide strength, balance, and precise driver control.
Lightweight magnesium spokes are produced to provide strength while reducing overall weight. Premium walnut veneer is carefully prepared to showcase natural beauty and exceptional craftsmanship. Premium leather is carefully selected and prepared for a refined, handcrafted finish. Master craftsmen hand-stitch every steering wheel to achieve a flawless luxury finish. Electronic control modules are carefully assembled and tested before integration into the steering wheel. The genuine walnut veneer is carefully installed to complement the handcrafted leather. The steering wheel is completed through the careful integration of craftsmanship and technology. The pedal assemblies are produced to deliver precise control with premium craftsmanship. The engine begins with a precision-cast aluminum block engineered for strength and durability. Every engine block is precisely machined to create the foundation for the powertrain. The crankshaft is forged and machined to convert engine power into smooth rotational motion. Each connecting rod is produced to deliver strength, balance, and lasting reliability. Each piston is precision machined to deliver smooth, efficient engine performance. Piston rings are manufactured to provide precise sealing and efficient engine operation. The cylinder head begins as a precision aluminum casting with complex internal passages. Precision machining prepares every cylinder head for its future role in the engine. Each engine valve is manufactured to ensure precise airflow and dependable engine operation. Each camshaft is machined to control precise valve timing throughout engine operation. The timing chain system is produced to maintain precise synchronization inside the engine. Precision engine bearings are produced to reduce friction and support smooth engine operation. The oil pump housing is precision machined to support reliable engine lubrication. Every oil pump gear is manufactured for smooth and efficient lubrication.
The oil pump is assembled and tested before joining the engine. The engine oil pan is formed to protect and manage the engine's lubrication system. The water pump housing is precision machined to support efficient engine cooling. The impeller is carefully produced to maintain consistent coolant circulation. The water pump is assembled and tested before installation into the engine. The timing cover is machined to protect and seal the engine's timing system. The intake manifold is carefully produced to deliver balanced airflow throughout the engine. Turbocharger housings are precision machined to support efficient forced induction.
The exhaust manifold is fabricated to efficiently direct exhaust gases from the engine.
Each turbocharger is assembled, balanced, and tested before joining the engine. Fuel injector components are produced with microscopic precision for accurate fuel delivery.
Every fuel injector is assembled and calibrated before entering the engine.
The fuel rail is precision machined to distribute fuel evenly across the engine.
The engine wiring harness is carefully produced to ensure reliable electrical communication. The engine control unit is assembled and tested to precisely manage every engine function. Every sensor is calibrated to provide precise engine monitoring. Every electronic component is verified together before engine installation begins. With every component complete, the engine is finally ready for assembly.
The first major engine component takes its place as the crankshaft is carefully installed.
The pistons and connecting rods are installed with absolute precision.
The rotating assembly is carefully verified before the engine build continues. The cylinder heads are carefully installed, bringing the engine one step closer to completion. The engine valves are carefully installed to prepare the cylinder heads for the valve train.
Valve springs and retainers are installed to complete the valve assemblies. The timing system synchronizes the engine's rotating and valve assemblies. The water pump is installed to support efficient engine cooling.
The intake manifold is installed to distribute air evenly throughout the engine. The exhaust manifolds are installed to efficiently channel exhaust gases from the engine. The turbochargers are carefully installed to enhance the engine's performance.
The engine electronics are installed, bringing every mechanical system together.
Every electronic system is verified before the engine is prepared for operation. Every fluid system is carefully prepared before the engine's first rotation.
For the first time, every engine component moves together in perfect synchronization. The engine comes to life for the very first time.
The engine undergoes a carefully controlled break-in process. The completed engine is certified and approved for vehicle installation. After passing every certification, the engine is cleared for its journey into the reinforced chassis. Before lifting begins, the engine is carefully secured to a precision robotic handling system. The certified engine leaves its transport platform, beginning the most delicate stage of its installation. With every movement carefully controlled, the engine begins its final approach to the vehicle. The engine reaches the installation station, where perfect positioning is confirmed before lowering begins. The engine moves deeper into the chassis, but final placement has not yet begun.
Final alignment ensures the engine is perfectly positioned before permanent installation.
The certified engine finally becomes part of the vehicle, marking a major milestone in its production. The engine is lowered with absolute precision until it reaches its permanent mounting position. For the first time, the engine rests naturally within the reinforced chassis.
Every mounting bolt is positioned before permanent fastening begins.
The engine is now permanently secured,
creating the foundation for every remaining assembly stage.
With the engine secured, attention turns to preparing the transmission for installation. The transmission is carefully secured before the lifting process begins. The transmission leaves its transport platform, beginning its carefully controlled journey toward the vehicle. The transmission approaches the powertrain, but precise alignment must come before any connection. The transmission moves into position, preparing for the most precise alignment of the entire drivetrain.
Every adjustment brings the transmission closer, but precision always comes before connection.
Only millimeters remain before the transmission reaches the engine.
For the first time, the transmission meets the engine, marking another milestone in the limousine's assembly.
Every mounting bolt is positioned before the transmission is permanently secured.
The engine and transmission are now permanently joined as a single powertrain assembly. With the powertrain assembled, attention shifts to its structural support. The transmission support is carefully positioned, preparing the powertrain for its next stage of assembly. The drivetrain is completed as the transmission support and driveshaft are permanently installed. The complete cooling and intake system is assembled, preparing the engine for reliable operation. Fuel delivery and the complete exhaust system are now integrated into the powertrain. The limousine's complete electrical architecture comes to life through fully integrated autonomous assembly. The handcrafted executive interior transforms the limousine into a world of luxury and refinement. The limousine's elegant exterior is completed with armored glass and precision-crafted finishing details. For the first time, the completed limousine stands proudly on its own wheels.
Every operating fluid is added as the limousine successfully completes its first full systems verification.
Every system is rigorously verified before the limousine receives final production approval.
After an extraordinary journey of precision engineering and craftsmanship, the official Prime Minister's limousine is finally complete.